Hello, my name is Cindy and welcome to this channel. Today we are going to be doing the heel flap, and by popular demand we are going to show you how to do it. I set up my camera so that you can see my hands. Okay, according to the pattern that we're using in my series, the heel flap consists of one row that starts on the right side, and you're going to slip knit, slip knit, slip knit all the way 28 stitches. You're going to turn the sock around, and then you're going to slip the first and purl the next row. And you are going to do that for 27 rows. You have 28 stitches here, 27 rows, so it's going to be basically a square. And it takes a little while for me to get that done. And as you can see, the other 28, which is the instep section of your sock, this is on a separate needle. Now you could use a stitch holder, you could use these circular needles I have. These are very long circular needles. You could just put them on that. You could, if you have another 9-inch, you could do that, or you could even just use your double pointed needles. I use one double pointed needle for the knitting, and one is going to be your working needle, one is going to be the holding needle. You could do it the opposite, to put this one, the knitting needle on this side and your 9-inch on this side. Now, I have seen some people do this just with the 9-inch, but I have not tried that yet. If you're interested in trying that, go for it. So I'm going to slip, which means I'm just going to pretend you're going to knit, but just take it right off. And then you're going to knit one, and you want to kind of tug it a little bit so that you have, this row can go pretty quick because you're only really knitting half the stitches. And you are going to do this slip, knit, slip, knit, all the way to the end of the row. Sometimes I find that knitting videos on YouTube are kind of quick, but the nice thing is you can press the button to slow it down, or you could press the button to speed it up, or you can even rewind. That's what I think is so cool about the YouTube way of learning, is you don't have to, follow any certain protocol. Now, sometimes when I'm talking, I'm like, did I just knit or did I slip? You could tell that I knit when I have the yarn coming from the stitch. So then I'm going to slip, knit, slip, knit. And then you're going to turn your project around, and you're going to use those same stitches, switch hands, and you're going to slip the first as if to purl, and then you are going to purl to the end of the row. And I will come back in the next video after I have this square done, and I will show you how to knit, turn the heel. Turning the heel is interesting too. So we will talk about that in the next video. A quick suggestion would be to count the stitches every few rows to make sure that you don't drop one. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe and check out my other knitting videos. I hope you have a great day. And I will see you back when I have this done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out my other knitting videos. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.